Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Matlab Mobile to create and run a simple signal step by step using just your phone. First, open the Matlab mobile apps and log in using your MathWorks account. Once you are in, the app will automatically connect to Matlab Cloud so you can access your files anytime, anywhere. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left corner, click Files, and you will be taken to Matlab Drive. Then, tap the plus button, select New Script, and let's name it continuous_sig. After that, open the script and write your Matlab code. In this video, I simply copy and paste the code that I prepared earlier to save time. In this example, we are generating a continuous sine wave signal. Now, let me explain the code line by line. In the first line, we define the time variable t, which creates a range of time values from 0 to 1 with a very small increment of 0.001. The small step size helps the signal appear continuous. Next, we generate the signal's x_count using the sine function, which produces a continuous sine wave based on the defined time values. Then we use the plot function to visualize the signal, where the x-axis represent time and the y-axis represent the signal amplitude. Once everything is ready, just tap Run to execute the script, and you will immediately see the graph of the sine wave displayed on your screen. You can also explore the workspace to see the variables, such as time t and the signal's x count. And if you want to go deeper, open the variable editor to check the actual values. And that's it. You have successfully created and run a Matlab script using your phone. Super simple, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye and Assalamualaikum.